Title: TRT Support. Secrets: The Ultimate Diet and Supplements Guide. Do's and don'ts. Testosterone replacement therapy can surely make significant changes in your body. It can power up your vitality, health, energy, and mental stability. But do you know? Without the consumption of a proper diet and supplements, even the TRT treatment can fail. Shocking, right? Testosterone replacement therapy can be followed correctly with proper routine and diet. This video focuses on the diet and supplements that are the strongest supporters of TRT. Also, you will learn about the biggest bad habits that can damage your treatment or simply won't let it cure your body. Stay tuned till the end of this video to not miss any kind of update. Get a complete list of all do's and don'ts that you should follow for a better hormonal balance and long-term wellness. Understanding TRT and nutrition. Testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, is built to provide restoration to men's hormonal levels. When, with age, the body starts to face issues, the testosterone count in men starts to fall. To treat that properly, TRT is there for the rescue. But most of the time, people forget that TRT alone cannot cure the body. It does require a healthy diet and routine to function perfectly. It's not wrong to claim that a perfect diet and exercise are the key to any treatment. Why diet matters. Deficiencies in essential nutrients can affect testosterone production. These nutrients are vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium. Apart from that, excessive sugar consumption, processed food consumption, or alcohol consumption can increase the levels of estrogen in the body that can counter even the positive effects of the TRT treatment. The do's. Supporting TRT naturally. To make the most of your TRT journey, here is the complete guide to support your TRT naturally. Include healthy fats. Dietary fats are the most needed for testosterone synthesis. So, one of the key elements that you should add to your diet is healthy fats. Some examples of it are avocados, olive oil, whole eggs, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, grass-fed meats, and butter. Healthy protein. Protein supports your body by helping in muscle repair and maintaining healthy body composition. Both of these crucial processes are very well needed for testosterone synthesis. The examples include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, legumes. Take complex carbohydrates. Carbs help maintain energy levels and reduce cortisol, a stress hormone that can suppress testosterone. Good options include sweet potatoes, oats, quinoa, brown rice, fruits. Focus on micronutrients. Several vitamins and minerals directly support testosterone production. Zinc. Essential for testosterone synthesis, found in oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds. Magnesium. Supports free testosterone levels in spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate. Vitamin D3. Acts as a hormone precursor. Sunlight exposure and fatty fish help B vitamins. Aid energy metabolism and hormone regulation. Gut and liver health. A healthy gut ensures that your body is getting proper nutrient absorption and hormonal balance. It includes rich foods such as eat probiotic-rich foods, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut. Include fiber-rich vegetables and prebiotic foods, onions, garlic, bananas. Limit processed foods and refined sugar. Hydration and recovery. Dehydration increases cortisol and hampers cellular metabolism. Water helps in supporting detoxification, muscle recovery, and optimal circulation. All of them are very important for TRT treatment. So, ensure that you are consuming 2 to 3 liters of water every day to support all of these processes. Supplements that support TRT. Supplements are essential for TRT and help fill in the nutritional gaps and deficiencies of the body. It also helps in curing the hormonal imbalances and providing them a smooth way. The essential supplements are vitamin D3, plus K2, zinc, and magnesium. Omega-3, fatty acids, ashwagandha, boron DIM. The don'ts, things to avoid. If you're following a good diet and routine, make sure to say goodbye to certain habits as well. Avoid over-processed food and trans fat. Consumption of excessive alcohol hampers your liver and gut health. Neglecting your sleep to do other tasks. Overtraining, excessive cardio exercise, or resistance training. Supporting TRT naturally isn't about making drastic changes. Instead, it's about consistent, healthy choices. Eat whole foods, stay hydrated, manage stress, and follow your supplement plan. Together, these habits make your TRT results better and improve your overall well-being. For more evidence-based videos on men's health, nutrition, and hormonal imbalances, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy.